Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix Android overheating and battery issue. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the battery and device care. It's over here. Tap on the setting. And if you want to fix your Android overheating and battery issue, you can tap on optimize now. Tap on this button and you have to wait until the process completed. And now as you can see that there's no high battery usage detected on my phone, then we can click on done. Okay, you can also check your battery issue by tapping on this button. Then as you can see that there's no battery issues on my phone. But when you have battery issue on your phone, the battery issue will appear right here. And you can read the reminder right here, how heat affects your battery. Extended usage in very hot environments can reduce battery performance and life. Okay, and we just need to go back. And anytime you want to fix your battery issue and Android overheating, you can go to your setting, then you can optimize your phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix Android overheating and battery issue. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.